Starting online with your own marketing business correctly. Hello, my name is Bill Morrow, and I've been working online now for about 9 years. And you have arrived now looking for information on internet marketing, working from home, making a business, all of these things, and you have come to the right place. Because in the 9 years that I've been working online doing various things, I have spent a lot of time, effort, money, and so forth on useless programs. But today I can offer you a real beauty, a program that starts from one point and delivers to you the complete system that you have set up. It guides you all the way through. It works on videos, so you watch a video, and when you watch the video, it then tells you to do something. So you then do that particular task, which is already explained to you, so you complete that task, and then you go on to the next video. And by doing this in sequence, one video after the other, you then get to the end, and with the result that you have a working system. A business online, and the business is exactly as you have designed it. It's the one that you have set up. You can set it up in anything you wish, any program, any sort of system that you understand and you want to make a business on, whether it's internet marketing, keeping fit, golfing, anything you like, you can set it up and how to build a business. All those things. The whole thing is entirely up to you. Just watch a video, do what it says, carry on to the next video, and then, as I say, by the time you get there, you've completed the whole thing. This is one of the best programs I have come across. Now, to get further information about the system, all you have to do is to click on the link below and get onto the email list so that I can then correspond with you. If you don't do that, I can't give you any information. Yes, you can watch other videos, but you can go on forever. And remember, this is where the game should stop, because I've got the answer that you've been looking for. So now, all you got to do is to get onto the link. You can come off the list anytime you like. There is no problem there. So some people are afraid, oh, I don't want to go on this list or that. But then you have to get the information. And the only way we can do that is by giving each other a link. So you can talk to me and I can talk to you. And that way we can get on together. We can get what we want. We can achieve what we want. So go on the link and I will then give you more information all about the system, because we can't expand things here, but in the video that follows I can give you information, I can show you things much easier. So that's it, my friend. All you got to do is to go on the link, and when you come on, I will then support you all the way through the program. That's exactly what I do. Remember, I've done the program. I've set my business up. My business is running. Thank you very much. Very nice indeed. So you can do exactly the same. And just think, if that old bloke can do it, so can I. Of course you can. Anyone can do it. If I can do it, there you are. It's as easy as that. So get on the link and go down and get further information. Right. Then I will see you in the next email. Bye for now.